Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, we're going to show you how to create a landing page for free for affiliate marketing. So what is a landing page? Landing page is a standalone web page created specially for a marketing or advertising campaign. It's where a visitor lands after they click on a link in an email or ads from any social media accounts or similar places on the web. So basically, landing pages are designed with a single focus or goal, known as a call to action. Now, to create a landing page for free for affiliate marketing, we're going to use the Google Sites. So open your browser and then we're going to search for sites.google.com. And then when you search for it, you'll find this page right here, right? So we're going to click on Google Sites and this is the page. Now here you can create or start with a new site or blank site, or maybe you can just select any templates or available templates right here, like personal, work, small business, or education. But for the sample, I'm going to select this blank site. So if you're going to click on the blank site, then you will now go to this page editor. So basically the first step that we can do to create a landing page is by creating or typing here the site name. So basically we're going to look at the product that we are promoting. So for example, like this one here, Coachy, and this is like a digital product or like digital membership area. So this is something that we want to promote. So for example, the name of this landing page is the Kochi store, just an example. And then we're going to enter the title. Now the title will be the best product you don't want to miss. All right. And then you can basically change the header type if you want. You can change the cover, large banner, or title only. So here you can basically select large banner or banner. So I'm going to select the simple banner here. And then you can add some image for your landing page. You can just upload an image from your computer or basically select and go to Google Image. So for example, here I'm going to the Google Image and then I'm going to search for the digital product and then tap enter on keyboard, and here you will find some results. But I want to use this image here, so click this one and click on insert button. And then it will be added to your header. So as you can see here, we have the title and we have the image. Now we can also change the font here or the font style, or basically make it bold to be able to be visible to the viewers. All right, next step, we want to add some section here. So we're going to the insert, and here we want to add two important parts to any landing page, which is an image and a subheader along with a brief description as to what it is we are offering or why someone should click that buy button or sign up button, whatever it is you are offering. Right, so we're going to go here on the content blocks and select this one here. Right, the first step, we're going to click on the plus icon to basically upload an image or just select image again from the Google website. All right, so we're going to go here on Google Images and search for the digital products, just an example. And again, tap on enter on keyboard and you will find again the results here. And I'm going to select this image. So click this one and click on insert button. And as you can see, we have just added an image. Now what we're going to do here, we'll basically click onto the edit text or text box, and we're going to type any information, details, or some product information. So basically, I'm going to type here, use this one-of-a-kind product, right? You can just use it right here, or maybe you can just change it to capital letters, as you can see here. And then we're going to add some details. For example, I'm going to type benefits that you will get. All right, so once done here, you can basically change the font that you want depending on the preference or your branding. So for example here, if you want to change font style or the font size of this text. So for example, I'm going to select this into bold letters, and same here on this text. So I'm going to select, then click on that bold, and as you can see, we have just created another description. Now we're going to add other component that we might be important on any landing page, is that what we call call to action button. All right, so we're going to click on the button right from here, and then we should just name this as sign up button, or just buy now or sign up. So depending on the landing page that you're creating. So for example, buy now, and then you should enter the link right here. So go to the affiliate link. All right, so from here, go to the page where you can copy the promotion link, as you can see here. So click on the copy promo link. And then once you click on copy, then go back to the page, and then we're going to paste in this box. All right, so once done, click on the insert button. So there you have it. We have just created a call to action button. So as you can see right here, and then also you can actually change the style, customize this button here to make it visible to the viewers. So you can change the size and also the position of this button. You can change also the style here, and I want the other style, this style tree. And there you have it. We have just added a call to action button. Now, what we're going to do next is to add some social proof. All right, so we can put here something like reviews or people have said on many social media accounts, just to encourage them to buy the product. All right, so what we're going to do is click on the image button. You can upload an image or select from Google Image. So for this sample, I'm going to click on the upload button. So this is just an example of a testimonial. Okay, so we're going to add it in this section. So you can customize or edit this testimonial or review on your landing page. And once done, you can actually add some section here. You can basically click on the divider. So from here, we're going to select on the divider. So from here, and then we can just basically add some pages or some elements here. And also we can just change the theme that you want for this landing page. You can select any of the sample theme right here. This is all free, so you can basically select any of the theme. So for example here, if you're going to select this impression, it's a very nice landing page. But for me, I'm going to select this level right here. All right, so this one is, for me, is the best theme for this landing page. All right, so once done there, basically you can add some elements. You can add some image carousel here. You can upload an image from the product page. For example here, this is the product page. You can get some images and videos from here that you can add to your landing page. Okay, so once done here, as you can see, this simple landing page is enough. So a landing page is just focus on the call to action. Now we're going to preview our landing page here. So click this preview button. And as you can see, this is the desktop view. Now if you're going to select the phone view, as you can see here, or the tablet view, all right? So if you're okay with your landing page, then basically you can now publish this page. So just click on the publish button right there at the top, and you can just enter the web address, as you can see. And then once done, click on publish button. And finally, we have just created the landing page from Google Sites, and it's absolutely free that you can use to promote for affiliate marketing. So that's all. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.